Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to prevent your channel owner from posting messages on Telegram web using the latest update. If you manage a Telegram channel and want to control who can post, stay tuned and follow each step carefully. First, open Telegram web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account connected to the channel you want to adjust. Once it's open, find the channel on the left side of your screen and click to open it. Next, look at the top of the page and click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. This will open a menu with several options related to your channel settings. From here, choose Edit to enter the channel's setup section. Inside the Edit section, you'll see multiple tabs like Info, Administrators, and Permissions. Click on Administrators to open the list of all the people who have roles in managing your channel. Now, locate the owner's name in that list and click on it. This will show the detailed permissions assigned to that person. Scroll through the list of options until you find Post Messages. By default, this might be turned on, which allows the owner to post directly in the channel. To stop that, simply uncheck the box next to Post Messages. Once you do that, look toward the top right corner for the tick icon and click it to save your changes. Telegram will apply the new setting instantly, so the owner will no longer be able to post messages on the channel via Telegram web. That's it.